What is acquisition accounting? Acquisition accounting is an accounting method used when one company buys another company and must record the purchase in its financial statements. In simple words, acquisition accounting explains how a company records the assets, liabilities, and purchase price after buying another business. When an acquisition happens, the buying company is called the acquirer, and the company being purchased is called the acquiree. The acquirer must record all identifiable assets and liabilities of the acquired company at their fair market value. Fair value means the current market price of those assets and liabilities at the time of acquisition. This process is called the purchase price allocation. First, the acquiring company calculates the total purchase price paid for the business. This price may include cash, shares, or other compensation. Next, the company identifies and values all assets such as buildings, equipment, inventory, patents, and customer relationships. It also records liabilities such as loans, unpaid expenses, or obligations. If the purchase price is higher than the fair value of net assets, the extra amount is called goodwill. Goodwill represents intangible benefits such as brand reputation, customer loyalty, or future earning potential. Goodwill is recorded as an intangible asset on the balance sheet. If the purchase price is lower than the net asset value, it is called a bargain purchase gain. Acquisition accounting helps investors understand the true value of the acquired business. It ensures transparency and accurate financial reporting after mergers and acquisitions. This method is required under major accounting standards such as IFRS and GAAP. In simple terms, acquisition accounting is the process of recording a business purchase correctly in accounting records. Easy way to remember. Acquisition accounting means recording what was bought and what it is worth today.